Nice look treat. At our forecast. Sounds like big, spacious seats and legroom, as they said, which I like. Okay, beautiful day today for the first day of the year.
Yeah, it was a nice start to 2023. We had a bit of drizzle and fog this morning for a few areas, but we managed to get into some sunshine. We are tracking a frontal system and weather maker that's taking aim along the north and central coast. Most areas, though, across the south coast will still see dry conditions overnight tonight. Now, with that weather maker, we are going to see very windy conditions along Haida Gwaii with gusts of up to 110 kilometers per hour. This continues into Monday, and we've also got a special fog advisory, and this includes the West Columbia if you're traveling along the Rogers Pass and for the Fraser Canyon. Now, the Rogers Pass will start to see the fog lift for the morning hours, but the Fraser Canyon could stick a little longer. We'll take it in towards the afternoon before we start to see some breaks. The outlook for Metro Vancouver overnight tonight, a touch cooler, will be down to 2. We are looking at a partly cloudy sky, and then we're back into some sunshine. It'll be a pleasant one for our Monday. Highs will bump up to 7 underneath a mix of sun and cloud. A look ahead, though, as we get in late day in towards our Tuesday, we do have the potential for some showers, and then the next juicy weather maker is going to move in late Wednesday, and by Thursday it'll be periods of rain. So a heads up, nice start for tomorrow. However, we'll be back into that sunshine once again. Now, the northern half of the province with very windy conditions along the coast. It's Haida Gwaii, gusts of up to 110 kilometers per hour. The north and central coast could still see those winds continuing into the morning hours between 60 and up to 80 kilometers per hour. Partly cloudy skies for Prince George, -3. Much of the southern half of the province, if you're traveling along the mountain passes, there is a nice break in there with just some fog for the morning hours and then dissipating as we get in through the day. The Thompson Okanagan, slight chance for an isolated flurry. Areas near Whistler will bump up to the freezing mark. Along the south coast, the northern and western regions of the island could still see a slight chance for a morning shower or a bit of drizzle, and then it should start to ease off. But much of the lower mainland, we are going to see temperatures down to 2. A few spots in the Fraser Valley will be a touch cooler, down to the freezing mark, and then we'll rebound through the day. 5 and potentially up to 7 for most areas. Winds tomorrow easterly up to 20 kilometers per hour. A bit unsettled Tuesday, sunshine on Wednesday, and then that next weather maker that's bringing in heavier rain will likely be late Wednesday and in towards our Thursday. Sarah?
All right, Yvonne, thanks. We'll see you in a few minutes. Well, last month's